Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for coming onto my YouTube channel, and a bit of an interesting video today. I'm with my sister who is sleeping and we have been invited to go to the world's first social distant concert, and we're going to see Two Door Cinema Club. So we got the very early train in Newcastle. All the trains are sold out except for this 6 a.m. train, and we arrived in our hotel. We're staying in the Malmaison in the Quayside. And yeah, we're going to see Two Door Cinema Club. So we're going to be, everyone has like their own pods, so I'll take you with me. I'm not quite sure what to expect, but it's going to be some platters there when we arrive, and a drink, and listen to some good music. We're going to the afternoon show, and it's sponsored by Virgin Money. It's called Virgin Money Unity Arena, and it's in Gosforth. And so yeah, I'm really excited to see some music. I've never seen Two Door Cinema Club live, so I'll take you with me. Everyone has their own pod. This is the stage, and we've got our wristbands. This is so cool. Everyone has their own pod. It is so cool here. So we've just arrived, and there's all these pods. This is Luella. This is Crystal, my two friends, and look at this in the VIP area. There's like all these cool pods. Just waiting for our food, and we've got these drinks. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's good. Prosecco, something like that. And I love these pods. So there's like a little flower wall as well back there. Walked out as heroes again, and I never knew how I feel.
And not on a gig like that. Music,
Error. Try again. Error. Try again. Error. Try again. Complete.
Can't even do it.
I tell you, feels good to be outside. I think we're set to have a good time together. All right.
Hey guys, so we've just come back. Had an incredible time today at the Two Door Cinema Club, and I've even managed to get their drumstick. Look, it's even, oh, that's my old socks. It's even got, look, how cool is that? Got their drumstick, they threw it. And part of the VIP experience, I got like a water bottle and a lip balm. It was so much fun. I think this was the best day of my 2020 year. It's just so what you need is just lift your spirits up, and I had so much fun with my friends. So yeah, really recommend going. I don't know, you check on their website. It's like the world's first social distance concert, seeing Gosforth at the moment. Maybe more things will open up, but yeah, it's definitely worth doing. I felt really safe. It was super well organized. It was really like strict. If anyone like leaves their pod, then you know you'll get put back into your pod, so you can like trust that everything will run smoothly. And yeah, it's just incredible. Really good, really good. The music was incredible, and I just love Two Door Cinema Club. So the time just went, it felt like 10 minutes. It didn't feel like the whole experience was like 4 hours from start to finish, but it just literally felt so quick. So yeah, really sad that it's over, but I have hotel life to enjoy now in the Malmaison. So might see some friends, or might just take an early night and just chill, have a bath. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. It's a bit different, but in terms of my weight loss, I mean, I don't know, I haven't like calorie counted or anything. I just had like some like cheeses, some meats, some grapes, some carrots and hummus. I ate pretty well today. I'm not quite sure, I might order like Thai takeaway. I'm not quite sure how I feel, but yeah, one day isn't gonna hurt. So you can definitely have fun when you're losing weight, and just flow along the river. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching,